Hello, what's up everyone? Welcome back. Let's make some shrimp and chicken fried rice. Let's get started. Here I have some basmati rice already cooked. Over here I have some mixed vegetables. I have my chicken already washed and cleaned in vinegar and diced. I have my shrimp already cleaned and deveined. I have some eggs. For my seasoning, I have garlic powder, onion powder, seasoning, salt, chicken bouillon, paprika, and red chili flakes. And I have some scallion, some red onions, more scallion, and some garlic. And for the sauce, I have dark soy sauce, hoisin sauce, and sesame oil. Now I'm just going to go ahead and combine the seasoning. And this much seasoning, I'm going to share it for both protein. So I'm just going to go ahead and add about a teaspoon or so of the sauce. And with the seasoning, give this a good mix and set it aside to marinate for about 10 to 15 minutes. Shrimp does not take long to marinate. And I'm going to do the chicken the same. I'm going to add the rest of the seasoning, some soy sauce, give it a good mix, and allow this to sit and marinate as well. Now I'm going to cook my protein separate. So I'm going to start off with the eggs. So in my cast iron, I go in with a little bit of oil. I add some salt to the eggs just for flavor. We don't want to have bland eggs. We give it a good whisk and we're going to scramble our eggs. Now feel free to use as much or as little as you like. I will leave a full written recipe and measurement down below so you could go ahead and check it out. So I'm just going to go ahead and scramble my egg until it just comes together. We don't want to really overcook the eggs because it's going to go back into the rice and finish cooking there. So at this point the egg is perfect. I'm just going to go ahead and remove it from the pot and then continue on with the rest of my ingredients. So I'm going to go in with a bit more oil and I'm going to add the shrimp. Now I'm going to cook the shrimp for about 3 to 5 minutes until the shrimp is fully cooked, and that's all you need. So about 2-3 minutes in, I'm going to go ahead and flip these over and allow them to cook on the other side. We just want them to just be fully cooked. Now that my shrimp is nice and cooked, I'm going to go ahead and remove these and show you what I do next. Now I'm going to go ahead, add the chicken, and I'm going to cook the chicken for about 7 to 8 minutes until the chicken is fully cooked. You want to cook this until all the pink is gone. You don't really want to overcook it. You just want to cook it just enough until all the pink is gone. Now guys, if you haven't yet subscribed or follow my channel, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, the like button, and also share this video and leave me a comment about what you think about this recipe or if you have any questions. Now that my chicken is fully cooked, I'm going to go ahead and remove my chicken. And you want to make sure when you're cooking this chicken, you cook it on medium to high heat so we don't accumulate that much juice. Now in my wok, I'm going to go in with a little olive oil and some sesame oil. I'm going to start off with my red onion and garlic. And I'm going to saute this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then in with my scallions or green onions, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to give this a good mix. Now in with that mixed vegetables. Here I'm using thawed frozen green mixed vegetables, but feel free to use any kind you have. If you have the can and you want to use it, go ahead and use that as well. Now I'm going to go in with my rice and I'm going to coat it in that oil and kind of fry the rice a little bit. Now that the rice is nice and combined, I'm just going to go ahead and go in with my sauces. So here I have some dark soy sauce going in and some hoisin sauce. Now at this point you could add as much or as little as you like depending on the color of your rice. I'm using the dark soy sauce because it's more, let me see what's the word I'm trying to find here. Looks more presentable and of a richer color. But if you have the light soy sauce, go ahead and use it. It's not all about the color, it's all about the flavor as well. So in with my eggs, and I'm going to give this a good mix. And right here you could stop if you are a vegetarian and you don't really eat meat but you eat eggs. This would be perfect. So guys, I'm just going to go ahead, remove some of this, and then add my shrimp and my chicken, and I'm going to give it a good coating and mix everything up. And at this point, everything is smelling amazing. Now I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle with some fresh green onion slash scallion. Mix this in, and then we are ready to serve. It's that easy. The easier it is once you have everything prepared and ready. So you want to make sure you have everything prepped, and then this is how I serve mine up. I garnish with some more fresh scallion, and let me tell you guys, this was so good. And of course you can't have seafood without a squeeze of lime or lemon. And yeah, that's it. This was really good. Guys, I thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and share. Until then, I'll see you in my next one. Have a good day and bye-bye.